All of you open your palm. Okay, in the palm. Who's there? Who resides in the palm? First.
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi, yes. Who stays in the middle?
Saraswati.
Very good. Who's there in the end?
Govinda.
Ah,
Vishnu.
superb. Now, all of you unmute yourself. You're all going to chant. First, I will tell the first line. All of you will say. Now, Rafael, no running kanna. Together, we all will chant. Karagre vasate. Wait, Sumedha. Please wait, darling. Vasate Lakshmi. Now second line. Saraswati. To Anika Adava. Children ka gang is there.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Karagre. Lakshmi. Wait. Kara Madhye. Saraswati. Karamule. To Govinda. Prabhate. Karadarshanam. Then you will just spread around your face. Okay? Goddess Lakshmi, let her be with me. Goddess Saraswati, be with me. God Govinda, be with me. Give me all the strength. This is what you are all praying. Okay? What I will do now, I will chant and send the
Chat
this.
box.
Okay. Now, name the goddess of wealth. Only you will just raise your hand. Raise your hand, you will not give the answer. Goddess of wealth. Goddess of wealth, Anika. Goddess of wealth.
Darsh is using his hands.
Yes? Anika? Goddess of wealth is? Yes, Advait. Lakshmi Devi. Yes. Now, who is the creator? Who is the creator?
Brahma.
Very good. Superb. Who is the destroyer? Destroyer. Very good. Superb. Okay. The operator. Lord Vishnu. The operator. Now, what is the spelling of God?
God. God.
Very good. G-O-D. Okay. So, how can you become God? Anybody remembers? I told you, you are all good. No? G-O-O-D, good children. So how can you become God? Yes,
We
Brian.
should be good to be God.
Is it no?
We should be good so we can become God.
We should remove 1 0. That means we should remove all negative qualities. So from good we can become God. Okay? From good we can become God. Okay? Now I just wanted to everybody, have you taken the printout one drama I have sent? Yes? Have you taken the printout of the drama?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Rivan has.
Anna, very good, Rivan. I want all of you to take the
Advait
printout.
has.
Ma'am, I don't have, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have, ma'am.
One second.
Okay. Put mute again.
I'll keep ready next class.
Wait. First is narrator. Who is the first narrator? First narrator is Arshal, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, who is the first narrator?
I think it's Darsh.
Darsh?
No, ma'am, he is second narrator.
Second narrator. First narrator is who? I think, is it
No.
Raphael? No, Raphael is child one, right?
Last part of child one, ma'am.
No. First part, child one is Raphael and last also Raphael.
First
Okay,
narrator
okay.
is Adava, ma.
Child one underscore Firat.
Adava. Yeah. Child one is Raphael. Child two,
Mayuk.
Ayuk,
Ayuk.
child two. Okay. Then second narrator. No, narrator first.
about mine?
is who?
Darsh.
Darsh. Second narrator.
Darsh. Narrator 2, then mentioned Darsh Chitrama.
Second
No,
Dashma.
one narrator is Darsh. The other narrator, because I have to give different children, more kids are there.
Narrator.
And see, child one is, like first I have put, oh, my dear friend, how can we remain cool and why we should remain cool when someone hurts us, especially with words. I'm not mad and off from this session. This will be told by Raphael. Okay. Second, cool,
Okay,
cool,
Chitrama.
my dear, sit down. Who's the second child?
Mayuk.
Chitrama,
Okay, yes.
Mayuk.
his name is not
Mayuk will say, cool, my dear, sit down. Okay. And then child one I have written, no, that is child three.
That means
Child three is
3 is
Sumedha, right?
Sumedha.
Sumedha, yes. She will say, what? Again cool? I am not a fool to cool. Okay, that is child three, not child one.
Okay.
Okay. Then narrator is second narrator. Okay, who is the second narrator?
no.
Yes.
Actually, Chitrama, Advait. Where is Advait's part? I didn't see his name. So
No, I have not written anybody's name. Narrator
Okay.
2 is Advait. That is, I have not written here what narrator 2, but you just make as different views were discussed and uncle came and asked us what happened. These 3 lines he will tell.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, narrator 2. That is narrator 2.
Okay.
Okay. And then child 4. It is not child 1. Child 4. Okay, who's child 4?
Chitrama, Arshad.
Ah.
That sir,
Yes, ma, I can't hear you.
hello.
Yes.
Child 4 is Arshad.
Child 4 is Arshal, Chitrama.
Ah,
Arshad.
So
Yeah.
Arshad will say, sir, you tell me how can we be cool when someone hurts us with words? My mother always says that once the words are spoken, it cannot be licked back nor erased. This is Arshad's word.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Hmm.
Yes, okay, fine. Now, uncle is Ruyan. Ruyan, you are uncle, okay?
Okay, Chitra ma'am.
So you will, and then child 1 is there, no? That is child 5. Who's child 5? That
Me.
is, like Rafael, there is someone in your house, no? What is his
Yes,
name?
ma'am. Jebin.
Jebin will become child 5.
Child fine. Nidanga child.
Okay, Chitrama.
Okay, that is, we have learned in the school. That he will tell. Okay, we have learned in the school.
Okay, okay,
Chitrama.
Chitrama.
Okay,
Noted.
please write his name. Then, one second. Mayuk, you will tell he left everything in search of God. Am I right? If somebody can type the whole thing, no, with what I'm telling, I'll be very grateful. Child 1 with name like that, if we can put, no, then it will be nice.
Sit
Okay.
properly.
Uncle is maximum line. Okay, Bruyan, you have to learn many things. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Old lady.
Chitra ma'am. Okay, Chitra ma'am.
Who's the old lady?
Ashi.
Yeah, Ashi. You wanted to eat the food without working on it.
Old
Not
lady.
without this. Okay? So you have 2 times. Okay? Three, 4 you have. Okay, you will dress up like old lady and you will talk. Okay? And Buddha. Who is Buddha?
Old baby.
Who is Buddha?
Anika.
Anika is Buddha. Anika?
Anika Gupta. உனக்கு அனிகா இருக்காடா
அங்கிளுக்கு தான் நிறைய இருக்குது.
Anika's mother is there.
But the voice is very low, ma'am. Speaker problem.
Ah, okay. So Anika will learn the Buddha's lines.
Yes.
Okay. Now, last, child 1 is there.
Pardon, ma'am?
No. Anika will learn until Anika, uncle same. Okay.
Yeah, talk of.
Anika will do Buddha's line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Arshad, your child, Sumedha will do. Sumedha will tell this. Now I understood, uncle, that let people say anything bad or shout, I should be cool. Okay? Because it is like what you are all going to learn this. Okay? We have some techniques where we will take the video of your child and then
Chitra.
we can make it into a drama.
Chitra,
Yes?
Adwa's name didn't come.
Uma?
Adwa.
Adva is there. Anika Adva, no?
Anika is Buddha. What's Adwa?
Adva is already, like I've given. No?
I
Adva
don't
is
see it
first
here.
narrator. First narrator.
Adwa, first narrator.
Yes, first narrator. Okay. Then, who was the second narrator?
Narrator 1 is Advait, right?
Chitrama.
1 is Advait, yes.
Yeah.
Narrator 2 is Advait, right, Chitrama?
Narrator 2 is Advait.
That's
Narrator
also
1 is
narrator
Adva.
2. ma'am. That's also narrator 2.
Ah,
No, I have written here. I was
Ah.
writing it when you were saying narrator 1 is Advait.
yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Narrator 2 is Darsh,
Yes.
right? Child 1 is Raphael.
Child 1 is Raphael. Yes.
Child
1
two
only
is-
the first dialogue is there. Because I have written here child 1, child 2.
Last one is
You
there.
can take everybody.
Okay. Child 2 is Mayuk.
Yes.
Child 3 is Sumeda.
Yes.
Child 4 is Arshal.
Yes.
Child 5 is Javin.
Yes.
Uncle is Brian.
Yes.
Old lady is Ashirao.
Yes.
Buddha is Anika.
Yes.
Adva is missing here.
Adva is narrator, last narrator.
Last narrator. Okay, narrator 3.
Yes. Narrator 3. Is everybody there?
Stage. He is the last narrator, ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody there, no? Okay. Now all of them will and then we will just do Sai Bhagavan Buddham Charanam Gacchami. No? With that song we will end it. Okay. Now
Okay.
like a monk only,
Yeah.
Ruyan will dress up. Ruyan, we will dress up.
Chitrama, my role. What is
Raja?
my role?
Rivan
What
is not
is
there.
my role?
Rivan is not there. Rivan is also not
Rivan
there.
is not there.
Yeah.
Wait.
Chitrama, in the last message when you sent, you have mentioned Rivan as narrator 3 in the message which you have sent.
Ah, okay.
So then Adva needs to take another part.
So Adva was mentioned as narrator 1 in that message.
Yes, ma'am. Adva was mentioned as narrator and the Chota was clear.
See one second. I will-
Chitrama, the message you send in the group, that Advait's name was not there.
Ah. See, child 1, first and last part is Raphael. Child
Yes.
1, first and last part. Last. Child 1, and I have written, no?
Yes, Chitrama.
Okay, first and last is Raphael. Child 2 is Mayuk. Okay? And again, child 1 is coming. That is Sumeda. Okay? Then
Yes, Chitrama.
afterwards, one child is coming.
Chitrama means
Ah.
what? Again, cool. I am not full to cool. That
Yes.
word.
Yes, yes, that is there. Okay. Adava, I have kept as first narrator. Darsh, second narrator. Rivan, third narrator. Okay. Ashi, old lady. Okay. Brian, uncle. Anika, Buddha. And Arshal, child 4.
Yes.
Because for some of them we have given two lines, 2 times. So instead it will be 1 time, and the other one is for other child. Because we have got many dramas.
So Chitrama, Adva is still missing then in this one.
Nama?
Adva is still missing. If third narrator is Rivan, then Adva is still missing.
See,
Is a-
who's the
Yeah.
first narrator?
Adva.
Adava, I have kept first narrator. Second narrator, I kept Darsh. Third narrator, I kept Riva.
Is it Adva or Advait?
Advait.
Adava, I have kept. Adava is first narrator. I put like that.
So what is Advait?
Advait is the child. And even in like I have to write about the drama. Somebody has to tell about the drama. That also is there. So That, you know, like, or in the end, no, I will keep narration for Advait.
You should pray.
Okay. Because we have kept only 1, 2, 3 children. Okay. Now everybody understood? Clear? Everybody can, it is 2 lines or 1 line for many children, but it is okay because we are going to do one more drama. So those who got many lines this time, they will get only 1 or 2 lines next time. Okay. Advait, I will give you. I'll write and give you. No problem. Okay, Advait. Because like if we are keeping one child for child telling, there are more than 7, 8 child telling is there. Because we have put only child 1, child 2, child 1, child 2. So child 1 is first Raphael will tell. Then child 2, another child. Child 3, another, child 1, another child can take. You know, like instead of 1 and 2, it will be 4, 5 children.
Totally 6 childs will be there, Chitrama.
Yes.
6.
Yes. Okay, then all are covered, right? Yes.
Advait name only not coming, Chitrama. Others name came.
No. That is what no ma. 6 children are there means
6 children. Raphael.
That 6 are
1.
there, right?
1 Raphael, 2 Mayuk, 3 Sumedha, 4 Arshal, 5 Jevin, 6 Brinda.
Brian, that's uncle. Brian is uncle.
Okay.
Uncle.
So
No,
5 child only. Advait name is not there,
Yeah,
Chitrama, for any.
yeah, that's what I was telling Chitra. That's
No, how many children are there in that script?
5 Chitrama.
Huh?
yeah. You didn't say Advait.
1. See, 1 is first child. Oh, my dear friend, how can we remain cool? That is 1 child. Cool, my dear, sit down. That is 2nd child. What? Again, cool. I am not a fool to cool. That is 3rd child. Okay. 3rd, you tell me how can we be cool when someone hurts? 4th child. We have learnt in the school. 5th child. Okay. We have learned in the school. 5th child. Okay. And 6th child, he left everything in search of God. Am I right?
Okay, yes, Chitrama.
Okay. That is 6th child. Then it will come again the child to know. Then what happened, uncle? That will be told by Sumedha. Okay. And
Sorry, Chitrama. 9 childs are there totally.
what, ma?
Totally 9 child, Chitrama. Once
9 child is there, no, Kanna. 9 child, no. Now first child has got, you know, like more lines. So enough. He is not
Okay.
repeat again.
Yes.
Okay. 2nd child, only 1 is there. So he can take 1 more line.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Chitrama. 2 is Mayuk.
2nd is Mayuk. No, Mayuk can take 1 more time.
Okay, Chitrama. That
Okay.
we want to set it correctly and we want to give it, Chitrama. Then only it will not be confused.
See, child 2, no. Then what happened, uncle? That will be asked by Mayuk.
Come in the Facebook.
Coming.
Bye-bye.
Chitra, send me the script. I will type it up.
Yeah, I have sent it.
Where is it? In Gmail?
Yeah, I have sent all the dramas to you. So what you can do, yeah, now you know all the children. You can just, I will send it to you. Maybe in 1 or 2 days time, you can type and send it with their names. Okay, ma? Yes, okay. We'll do that, children.
Ready for this, ma'am?
Nakanna?
When they have to be ready for this?
No, it is all two lines only. No, let them take 1 week. By next Thursday, we will practice once.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then afterwards, no, what dress they will wear, we will decide all those things. And
Okay,
then
ma'am.
how to go about it, no, like how we did drama last year in the school project. The same way we will do now also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. No problem, Kanna. Anyway, we will just sort it out. Okay. I want to tell you all one story now. Then we'll go for bhajans and meditation. Okay. Time is up. There was one lady. Her name was Krishna Gautami. Her name was Krishna Gautami. She was praying to Lord Buddha always. Always she used to pray to Lord Buddha. So she had a child. She had a child, and suddenly the child got fever and died. This lady, Krishna Gautami, was crying so much, and somebody told, you pray to Lord Buddha. He is there. He has come to our village. Go and tell him that your child is not there. If he is God, let him give life to the child. So she took the baby, cried so much, and went to Lord Buddha. Buddha said, why are you crying, ma? You've come with the baby. So this lady said, oh, my dear Lord, I've got only one child, small child, just 1 year old. And suddenly this child got fever and died. I'm praying to you for long time. If you are God, you will give life to this child. Like that she said and cried so much. So Buddha said, you keep your child here. You have to do one thing. Go inside the village and ask people, like only one house. You say that I want you to give pepper, 3 pepper pieces and salt. 3 pepper piece, 1 little bit salt. But in that house, no death should have happened. No death, nobody should have died in that house. So you go and get pepper and salt. Only one house. I will give life to your child. So she goes and she cries, is there anybody? Can you give me pepper and salt? So people are coming with pepper and salt. And this Gautami asked, anybody died in your family? He said, yes, my father has died long time back. No, I can't take from you. She goes to the other house. They said, yes, my grandmother died long time back. I can't take from your house. So Krishna Gautami runs and goes to the other house. And there they said, my sister passed away some time back. Wherever she went to 100 houses, crying to everybody that, is there any house where no death has happened at all? I want 3 pieces of pepper and little salt only from this house. So entire village she ran, but she could not get. And with lots of cry, she comes to Lord Buddha. And Buddha said, calm down, like that is done. And she said, how can I calm down? My child is not there. I'm not able to get the pepper piece that you asked. Okay, how can I get life for my child. And then Buddha asked, do you have your grandmother? So this Krishna Gautami said, no, I don't have grandmother. She is not there. Oh, do you have your grandfather? She says, no, he is not alive. Okay. What about your husband's mother? She says, she has passed away when my husband was very small. Buddha was just listening to all the answers that she gave. And then Lord Buddha said, everybody who is coming into this world, all the people who are coming to this world are coming with a return ticket. Everybody will leave this world one day. Today is your child, tomorrow it may be you, or the next moment it may be myself. Even this Buddha, Rama, Krishna, Sai, nobody can, as human, when they come, they have to leave this world and they have to go. Then some flash of thoughts came into her mind. She was just cooling down and she said, who will take care of my child? So Buddha asked from where the child came. She said, from my stomach. The child came from my stomach. Buddha said, before coming to your stomach, where was she? She was with the eternal Father. Because of God, you got blessings to get this child. So God is the eternal Father. When the child came, you were very happy. Now the child died. You don't feel sad because your Father, the Father of everybody in this world, He is going to take care of this child. And that moment, this Krishna Gautami just sat, and then she was just, Buddham Charanam Gacchami, Dharmam Charanam Gacchami, Sangam Charanam Gacchami. Like that, the voices were coming from all sides, and this lady went into absolute meditation. This is all of us, we are here for some time. But when we pray to God, when we do good things, and when we always think good, our journey becomes beautiful and nice. Okay? This is the drama I want to write and make all of you to act in this drama. It is such a beautiful drama. Okay? For Guru Purnima, Buddha Purnima, we will do. Buddha Purnima is coming in May. Okay, children? All of you, some of you will become monk. I've got monk dresses. Okay, we'll hire monk dresses. Okay? And now another child, like new child will become Buddha. Okay, new child will become Buddha, Krishna Gautami. All of you will get, like I will write, because they are going to ask from each house, is there anyone? So you will come and you will tell your dialogues also. Okay, so this drama, we all will do it. Okay, children. Now, all of you, we will call Sanchita auntie will chant Om Ram Ram, okay, and then bhajan. Because of drama, we took long time. Sorry, children. I should have typed it. I apologize.
Which bhajan are they singing? Which bhajan are they singing?
One new bhajan you teach. First you chant, like that Om Ram Ram, no, that we will finish, like meditation.
Okay. How many
And then
times?
we will
21 times or?
21 times.
21 times. Okay, children. You you close your eyes, join your hands together, and keep yourself in mute, okay? Mute yourselves, okay? And repeat after me. Om Ram Ram. 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 Thank God for everything He has done for us until today. Thank you, parents, for the love they share with you. Thank you, friends, for being nice to you. Love you, children. Rub your hands together and cup your eyes. Om Shri Sai Ram. I think we had started learning Jai Durga Lakshmi, right? Who knows Jai Durga Lakshmi Saraswati?
What you can do now, only 5 more minutes are there, 4 more minutes are there.
Mm-hmm.
So, you can teach them and let them repeat.
Okay. I'll ask them to stay on mute, otherwise they'll just not be hearing the voice then. Okay, everyone keep yourselves muted and we'll sing Jai Durga Lakshmi, okay? Anika, you know? Very good. Let your brother learn today, okay? Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Say this 3 times, okay? Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Sai Jagannatha. Mam Pahi Jagannatha. Jaya Durga Lakshmi Saraswati. Sai Jagannatha. Okay, we'll repeat this again next week. Okay, when you come back, we'll repeat this again. Okay, who has learned the words while I was singing? Anika, Sumeda, Ashi, so many people. Dash, wow. I'll send the recording in our chat box and you can learn from there again, okay? Aarti?
Yeah, I have just done it inside.
Okay.
Okay. Children, Samasta Jiva
So,
Bhavantu. Samasta Jiva Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Jiva Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all be peaceful. May all be blessed. May all be granted with good health. Tvameva Sharanam Mama Sai Deva.
Om Shri Sai Ram.
Shri Sai Ram. Children, we will just send you with your name the drama. Okay. So once it comes to you, then it will be easy for you. Okay, the thing is not now some may get more, some may get less, but that does not matter. Afterwards, everybody will get in one drama equal to. Okay, ma? Have a nice weekend. All of you study nicely, darling. Take care of your health. Okay?
This drama when, Chitrama?
Yes, Kanna?
This drama when?
This drama,
Next week?
another in 1 month's time, we will just take the once they learn the lines, they'll be sending it.
Okay.
Okay. So we will just see whether we will have it in Zoom. Okay.
Okay.
Only
Oh.
all the videos and only the participants' video to be on like that.
Shall we end or no?
Yeah.
There are some techniques which we thought we will just follow
Okay. Okay,
so that it can be live.
Okay.
No. You have to wait for more class.
Bye, darlings. Ashikuti.
Bye. Bye, Chitrama. Bye. 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 Bye, Chitrama.
Bye, Laddu.
అని కూడా నేర్చమేనా బాయ్ చెప్పు ప్రాపర్ గా
Bye, Chitrama. Bye, Chitrama. Bye, Chitrama. Bye, Chitrama. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sai Ram. Bye bye. Love you. Bye bye.
Advait was telling, where Sanchita auntie? Where Sanchita auntie? Why she didn't come?
Oh.
Ashi, Laddu Kutti.
Bye.
Bye bye. Sai Ram.
You took your vaccine, Sanchita?
Yes, I did. Actually, nothing happened. Nothing. By Swami's grace, nothing
What?
happened.
See, today my son-in-law also took.
Oh.
His daughter is taking tomorrow through their companies. They're all doing. And